Dominoes block sets are an engaging and educational toy that enhances a child's creativity, hand-eye coordination, and cognitive skills. These vibrant wooden blocks provide endless opportunities for fun-filled learning experiences through stacking, pattern-making, and problem-solving activities. Key features to consider before buying a Dominoes block set for kids. Material and durability. Choose a set made of high-quality wood with smooth edges for safety and long-lasting play. Number of pieces. A larger number of blocks allows for more complex designs and extended playtime. Color variety. Multicolored blocks aid in color recognition and visual stimulation. Age appropriateness. Ensure the toy is suitable for your child's age and skill level. Educational benefits. Look for sets that encourage STEM learning, creativity, and problem-solving. Interactivity and engagement. Engaging sets provide hands-on learning through domino rally building and other activities. Portability and storage. Compact packaging ensures easy storage and hassle-free cleanup. Value for money. The best sets provide durability, multiple learning aspects, and hours of entertainment at a reasonable price. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.